Things ain't always gonna be what you think they're gonna be, y'all. No, they not. Anyways, let's go. Let's get this over with. Let's get this started. How y'all doing? I'm glad that y'all showed up. I appreciate it. I'm getting used to this stream, y'all. This is nice. Yeah, I like it. So, anyways, so we're gonna cover some cryptocurrency today. I'm gonna show individuals how to send things, and now we're gonna start adding coins that I feel you should start putting into your portfolio. I'm not a financial advisor. Where that camera at? This one? Yes, that one. Okay, so we're gonna a lot of stuff I got going on, but I'm not gonna lose sight of all this year and next year of HK Network. You guys are not. This won't be heavy. I won't probably be teaching heavily sometime next year, but I will all the time when we're cashing out and whatnot. But it's those of you that are gonna be starting your businesses but to me, it's very, very important. I mean, it's very extremely important that you invest. You invest every single month. And yeah, I'm gonna have to get with you, King. What's his name, man? I know I saw him up in here. There we go.
Jason.
Boom. Man, you're gonna have to talk, man, because I need to just, do a collaboration with you. I know I'm doing videos every day, but I'm gonna have to make some type of time this week or next week, no later than probably next week, so we can collaborate. So I can know where I'm gonna send people. Okay, so we need to talk so you can at least know what our people need. So people that are in HK Network are some are advanced, some are not. So I just want to put that out there to you, King. But yeah, we got to get that done so I can at least send them your way when they want a little extra handheld. And to me, it's important for you guys. So you guys become 100,000-aires. You can become millionaires, and some of y'all gonna go into the 100+. But I think y'all be all right with just a few $1 million. So this you can set yourself up for greatness. But the difference is right now what we're trying to focus on is when you starting your new business, when you are at your 9 to 5, when you're at home chilling with your queen or your king or living with somebody, you need to be investing every single month. That's just a given. You cannot live in the United States and not do nothing. You have to make changes. I didn't get to being a millionaire from only putting one stream of income. You have to have multiple streams of income. And I don't mean like that MLM, multiple level. No, level marketing. I'm talking about, when you have a portfolio together, like stocks, you have in that portfolio, you have certain companies that you have invested in, like Apple, Tesla, some companies that people ain't never heard of. That's your portfolio. Your job, that's an investment. Your queen or king, that's an investment. Your children, that's an investment. But in United States, you're trying to yield a return on your investment, ROI. So the beautiful thing about it is right now, if you just want to deal with stocks and you old school, cool. I do both, but mainly 80%, if not 90%, I haven't checked in a while, of my holdings is in the crypto. Okay. So I didn't get to be no millionaire off no stocks or no crypto. That didn't happen. Okay. I'm just being real. I got off in investing in me. Okay. Investing into myself, investing into using the social media platforms as consistency and getting, like I did the video just passed, showing you where you're fishing. So my fishing became serious about my fishing. I wanted to make sure that the algorithm knew that I'm going to show up at least 3 times a week. I knew that. And by doing that, it paid off. So, and now I have started out with 4 products. Isn't that right, Jessica? 4. And I mean, how many products we got? Can you count, huh? We haven't counted in a long time. It's probably over 50 or 60 products. Yeah. So we've never been on Amazon. We've never been on other platforms to drop ship and all that. We never did that. We didn't have to. Had I done that, I would have had to expand. And then I would have made multi millions of dollars, but we would have been really, really busy. I love my time. So in this game of this rat race, I don't care if you're in a 9 to 5 rat race, if you're in a business rat race, if you're in a mono or papa rat race, a sole proprietary rat race, investment rat, you have to do it intelligently and smart in this game right here. They got a lot of loopholes, They got a lot of legal ways, and they have a lot of ways that are entrapment, okay? That people just get complacent and they're trapped. I'm trying to untrap you and make sure you do. When you make your bag, is where you put it at to get that residual money from, like, as if you're retired, okay? That's what investors are. They're really retired, and they don't really have to work if they don't want to at all, because the money that's coming in every month, every week, every day, they can live off that for the rest of their lives, and it just keeps growing. That's what I want you to focus on. That's the end goal. End goal is to make sure that you have enough coming in from your investments monthly that you don't ever have to work again. Okay. And people get this bag, and people make themselves, I've done it, I've been guilty of it, make themselves $200,000 one year. First, they go from $10,000 extra in 1 year. Then they shock themselves and they go over 100,000 in 1 year. Then they shock themselves and go past $250,000 1 year. Then they make a half, and then it becomes kind of dull to people when they get past $500,000. I remember that place. It happened to me. It don't, you're spending, you're making, you're just looking at, like looking at it in your bank account. It really don't, you bought the stuff you wanted, because now you're realizing that you got to spend money to keep your money. You got to invest into the company. You have to figure out the tax game. Now it's being more serious, because the Uncle Sam that you never met, that Sam right there, you ain't never met him. He's on your ASSS about making sure you do things right, and you give him his cut. He's the real pimp. So if you don't give him his cut, you can't be audited. So now you're trying to learn that, so you won't end up like another love sad song. You know who that is, right? Just another love sad song. Yeah. That's Tony Braxton. He filed bankruptcy twice. Okay, so you don't want to fall into the trap of having to file bankruptcy because you didn't figure out that just because you made a lot of money, you didn't supposed to keep it. Ooh, let me say that one more time. Let me get that mic closer. Just because you made a lot of money, you didn't know you didn't supposed to keep it. They want you to invest back into society, states, county, the city. They want you to invest back into America.